Mr. Moore.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, and thank you, Secretary Kennedy, for being here. So yesterday we had good news in West Virginia. I want to thank you and your team for working with the West Virginia delegation, and especially my office, to bring back NIOSH, the facility in Morgantown. This facility and the programs it administers are absolutely critical to West Virginia and to our nation's coal industry. Mr. Secretary, my understanding is that the 111 employees at NIOSH in Morgantown were reinstated earlier this week. Is that correct?
Yeah, I reinstated 328 employees at NIOSH. About a little over a third of them were in Morgantown, and then about a third in Cincinnati. And then the World Trade Center group I also reinstated.
Well, thank you for that. And the Black Lung Screening Program and the Coal Workers Health Surveillance Program are particularly important to West Virginia. My understanding is that the Coal Workers Health Surveillance Program at NIOSH will be fully reinstated. Is that correct?
Yes, the program will continue to function with continuity.
That's great. And thank you for that very much. And Mr. Secretary, it's my understanding that the programs for occupational safety and testing, like the respirator testing programs, will also be fully operational again. Is that accurate?
Yes, that's accurate.
Very good. Well, thank you so much for working with my office on that. As I stated, it's critically important to our coal miners and their safety and the work that they're doing, which is hazardous but very important to our country. And lastly, I do want to and see, I'm not going to take a lot of time here, Mr. Chairman. So I do want to thank you for visiting my children's school, their Catholic school there in Martinsburg, West Virginia, with our governor recently. My daughter was there on stage with you, one of my kids, and we had a great announcement there as it relates to food dyes. And thank you for being there and being supportive of us, and also just your generational service to this country. I'd be remiss if I didn't mention my close family friend who passed away just a few years ago, who was your father's campaign manager in the state of West Virginia when he was running for president, who obviously left a huge impact on our state. Thank you for all the work you're doing to make America healthy again. We obviously need the help in West Virginia, and thank you for all the support that you've come into the state, helped us support these programs that we're trying to bring back our folks to a healthy lifestyle and path. Thank you so very much for everything you're doing for this country and for West Virginia.
Thank you, Congressman. I've spent a lot of my career in West Virginia, and my family has deep roots there. My uncle, President Kennedy, would not have been president had it not been for the people of West Virginia. And that primary was the most critical primary, and Wisconsin was the second one in 1960. And he always reminded us of that. And I don't think any member of my family has ever forgotten, and it's a joy for me to be able to spend time in your state.
Well, thank you so much for that. There's a lot of great books written, by the way, on that primary in West Virginia. So thank you so very much, Mr. Secretary.